In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. By the end, you'll have PayPal ready as a payment option for your customers, and you'll understand the requirements Gumroad needs before you can turn it on. Start by opening your Gumroad dashboard and signing in. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. That little avatar is where your account options live. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, head to the Payments section. This is where you configure how customers pay you and how you get paid. On the Payments page, scroll down until you find the Payout Method area. Here, you'll see the option to use PayPal. Click PayPal to open the details. Gumroad supports both personal and business PayPal accounts, and connecting either will let your customers check out using PayPal. When someone completes a purchase with PayPal, the money from that PayPal purchase goes straight into your PayPal account immediately. Keep in mind, Gumroad's fees still apply to all sales. Direct sales, where customers find your product through your own links, incur a fee of 10% plus 50 cents. Sales that come through Gumroad Discover, their built-in marketplace, have a flat 30% fee. It's helpful to understand these so you can price your products with fees in mind. Next, click Connect with PayPal. You'll be prompted to log into PayPal and authorize the connection. Choose the PayPal account you want to use, confirm, and you'll be returned to Gumroad. Before you can connect, though, Gumroad requires three things. First, your account must be marked as compliant. In practice, that means you've completed any identity checks and your products follow Gumroad's guidelines. Second, you must have earned at least $100 in sales on Gumroad. Third, you must have received at least one successful payout. If you don't meet these yet, the connect option may be unavailable. Keep selling, make sure your compliance steps are finished, and once you receive that first payout, come back to this payments page to complete the PayPal connection. After you've met the requirements and authorized PayPal, you should see PayPal listed under your payout options, and your checkout will now show PayPal as a way for customers to pay. As a tip, double check that the PayPal email you connected is correct and monitored, and review your Gumroad pricing with the fee structure in mind so there are no surprises. That's it, you're all set to accept PayPal on Gumroad.